Hey guys, I made a decision. We are gonna do Vlogtober. So welcome to Vlogtober. I will start vlogging actually here in a little bit for the video you guys get tomorrow. But I wanted to just kind of put an introduction to Vlogtober up so that you know what you can expect. I'm going to vlog. Actually, there's going to be a couple different things. I have a couple tags I want to do for this month, and I will be sharing writing progress this month. I will be sharing recipes this month, and I want to do a lot of that vlog style. So my goal is to at least give you a video every day of the month. That's my goal. But I don't want to make it, I don't want to say I'm going to, because when I say I'm going to, I tend to fail. But my goal is the next couple days, maybe a little off, because I'm still having some issues with shingles. And it kind of wears me down pretty quick, but I am so glad to be on the healing mend of that and to be able to jump back into content here on YouTube. So welcome to Vlogtober. I hope you join me. If you decide to join me this month, please leave a comment down below so I can make sure to check out your channel. And I am going to do a playlist of channels who are participating this year. I'm gonna try to figure that out, how to do that. So that's my goal. So that's it. Today's video is very short, sweet, just kind of telling you, hey, hello, surprise, we're gonna do this. And I will see you guys tomorrow.